Today, I'm going to teach you, America, how to make the perfect cup of tea. Today, I'm going to teach you, America, how to make the perfect cup of tea. Today, I'm going to teach you, America, how to make the perfect cup of tea. So we can all have a cup of tea. So we can all have a cup of tea. So we can all have a cup of tea. You don't use your kettle to actually serve the tea. That's wrong. You don't use your kettle to actually serve the tea. That's wrong. You don't use your kettle to actually serve the tea. That's wrong. You have a teapot. You have a teapot. You have a teapot. Put your tea bag in there. Put your tea bag in there. Put your tea bag in there. So we're going to leave that in there. So we're going to leave that in there. So we're going to leave that in there. Got a bit of milk. This has hair in it. Got a bit of milk. This has hair in it. Got a bit of milk. This has hair in it. Shall I just talk about Ireland for the next couple of minutes? Shall I just talk about Ireland for the next couple of minutes? Shall I just talk about Ireland for the next couple of minutes? Ireland's the best. Ireland is a small island between the UK and America. Ireland's the best. Ireland is a small island between the UK and America. Ireland's the best. Ireland is a small island between the UK and America. It's very green in Ireland. The population's about 5 million. It's very green in Ireland. The population's about 5 million. It's very green in Ireland. The population's about 5 million. You fill up your teapot. You fill up your teapot. You fill up your teapot. Have your tea bag in there. Have your tea bag in there. Have your tea bag in there. Let it brew for about 3 minutes. Make sure it's nice and strong. Let it brew for about 3 minutes. Make sure it's nice and strong. Let it brew for about 3 minutes. Make sure it's nice and strong. Pour your tea. Put your milk in. Pour your tea. Put your milk in. Pour your tea. Put your milk in.